Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make quarantine earrings. I know it's not easy to go out and get craft supplies, so I've been thinking of crafts that you can make with just whatever you have around the house. And today I'm going to show you how to make all these earrings with a plastic bottle. So let's get started. To make these earrings, I'm using some pliers, Sharpie markers, a candle, something to light the candle with, scissors, some jump rings, and ear wires, and I'm going to put a link below on how to make your own jump rings and ear wires, and something to punch a hole with, and a plastic bottle. I've gone ahead and I've cut my bottle along here and along here, and I just poked a hole with my scissors and cut around, and that will give you some plastic like this, and you can just make any kind of design that you like. And I've just made black squiggles, blue squiggles, and in this one I did a band of pink, and then with black I just added lines and polka dots, and in this one I just added circles and dots. For these I just left the bottle clear, and I just made X's and dots along the side. For these I first tinted the plastic pink with my pink Sharpie marker, and then I made some squiggles with black. These I cut from one of the bands that I had pre-painted on the bottle, and this one I cut from the black squiggles that I had on the bottle. For this one, I just tinted my strip blue and then put some black bars along. I cut strips, and you can measure yours. I'm just going to cut it freehand here, and I'm going to punch a hole at each end and round off the corners so they won't be sharp. To make these teardrop shapes, you just put the two ends together and then pinch it really tight, and there you go. You'll have a teardrop shape. Pass a jump ring through both holes. Tighten that up. To make a dangle, I made a loop on one end, like that. Pass on a bead, and make a loop on the other end, like that. Place the bead on the jump ring and tighten it up, and attach an ear wire. And there's the basic earring. So you can leave them in these oval or round shapes, or you can make them into a teardrop shape. And now I'll show you how to make these. To make a pattern for the round earrings, I traced around the base of my candle and cut it out. And for this one, I cut an oblong shape like that. So I took my round shape and I traced around it on my plastic bottle like that and cut them out like that. So to color it in, I just picked out a circle in the center, colored that in pink, and then all around the edge, I colored it in blue. And try not to touch the Sharpie while it's still wet, because it will come off on your fingers. But once it's dry, you will not be able to rub it off. And I'm going to take the pink again, and I'm going to go right over the blue, and that's going to give a separate color. Now with black, I'm going to make some dots in the center, like that. And then right along this edge, I'm going to make another row of little black squiggles, like that. And then all along the outside, I'm going to make just some lines, like that. And then in every second one, I'm going to place a dot like that. Like that. Now I'm going to light my candle, and I'm going to hold the edge right along the flame, and it's going to cause a bead to form along the edge. So just hold it fairly close, and I think you can see that happening. So I'm going to go all the way around. Like that. But I like them a little bit warped, so I'm going to hold this directly over the center until it kinks. Like that. And then I'll pick the best place, punch a hole, like that. And then you can add a jump ring in there and use these as pendants or earrings. And for the design on the oblong ones, I did the pink in the center and in the blue, and then I just made crisscrosses and added dots on them. And then I also beat it all around the edge with the hot flame. Or you could cut them out from these. I'll just do a rectangle here. Round off the corners. Punch a hole. Form a bead all around with the hot flame. There you go. That's how easy it is to make some earrings or pendants from plastic bottles. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.